Bob Nagy from Giroux Tree and Lawn Care. It's a little bit loud here today. We are doing a very large oak tree removal way out in the backside of a property. Guys are cleaning up out here and chipping up the brush as it comes down. We have the crane set up between two houses. We have wires that got shut down by Pico Electricity here today. Here's the boom of the crane. There's Dan Rumbold, crew leader for Giroux Tree and Lawn Care, expert at large removals. Working on, he just rigged up these lines up here to support the branch. He's going to drop down there and he's going to make a cut. And when he makes that cut, they will lift that up and over the house. There she goes, up and away.